automatic powder vertical packing machine is suitable for packing powder material, such as washing powder, fine sugar, milk powder, spices, wheat flour, and so on. It can complete dosing, filling, bag forming, sealing, cutting at one time. The machine adopts famous brand configuration, Mitsubishi PLC, Schneider servo driver, Omron temperature controller, etc. The contact parts with food is made of 316 high-quality stainless steel. It will never get rust. All kinds of bag type and punching shape can be made by our design for you. The machine is very easy to operate and maintain. Professional, customized according to your product.